How to stop comparing your art to others. Seeing the work of other artists and comparing it to your own work can cause you to feel inadequate and fear you're not measuring up. If you're feeling down because your art doesn't look like your favorite artist, stop it. Every artist has their own unique style and journey. Comparing yourself to others can only bring you down and make you doubt yourself. Instead, focus on your own progress. Develop and reflect on your strengths and set goals for yourself. Learn to appreciate and celebrate what makes your art special and unique. That's the key to building confidence and grow as an artist. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing your work to that of other artists, but it's important to remember that every artist is unique. Comparing your work to others can cause feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt and discourage you from continuing to create and improve or even creating at all. To overcome this challenge, it's important to focus on your own personal growth and development. This means setting specific and achievable goals for yourself, practicing and regularly reflecting on your strengths. By focusing on your own progress, you can build confidence in your ability to see your art in a new light. It's also important to learn to appreciate and celebrate the unique qualities of your own work. This means embracing your individuality and accepting that your art doesn't have to look like anybody else's. Even though you can be inspired by someone else's, it's your own creative expression. Every artist has their own unique perspective, style, and journey, and that is what makes your art special and valuable. Ultimately, it's important to remember that every artist, regardless of their level of skill and success, goes through these feelings. But the key is to channel these emotions into a positive direction. Use them as motivation to improve and create something truly unique, and to never give up on your artistic vision.